Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to very important update. Morning Star off campus direct hiring. The exam date is tomorrow 12 December 2023. Salary is 4 to 5 LPA. I posted this opportunity on our channel 8 days ago and 8 दिन के अंदर टेस्ट का अपडेट आया है. So this is very good news that is related to MDP associate hiring. I also received the mail from the Morning Star team. So in this video we will discuss about all the important points, and if you applied for the Morning Star hiring, they mention in the mail that your application should be received status shown. Okay, so basically they mention that this is a Morning Star test update on 12 December for the MDP associate. Previously some candidates already selected from our channel in Morning Star. Dear candidate, greetings from Morning Star. Your application has been shortlisted for the role of MDP associate. One of the most important point, the pass key. Okay, they mention the link and the pass key. So it will be activated on 11:45 AM tomorrow, and the test date is from 12 PM to 2 PM. One of the most important point, 50% and above in final graduation or post graduation. The test closely monitor your activity. So in case you receive multiple pass key, please ensure you have attempt only one test with your own personal Aadhaar card. Failing which the candidature which will be cancelled. Okay. Candidates clearing the test will receiving email by 5 PM Wednesday to attend the candidate information session by Morning Star schedule on 14 December. Okay, from 3 PM to 4 PM. That is related to candidate survey. So the those shortlisted for interview will be contacted for further interview rounds. Candidate who are already in the offer stage for other roles will not be considered. One of the most important point that first of all, tomorrow there is a test, and like if you cleared the test, so within in the one day, okay, like today is Monday, so on the 13, okay, on the 13 Wednesday you will receive the update from the Morning Star team that is related to a candidate information session. Okay, that will be scheduled on 14 December, means on the Thursday. Okay, so you have to like if you cleared the test, so you will receive an email invite. After that there is a candidate survey session. So candidates need to visit the below link and submit their application, failing which their application will not be considered for the process. So this is the official link for the job opportunity, and you have to complete your status like this. Okay, on your workday jobs, like on the workday portal, your application should be received. So it is very important. Already one candidate is selected from our channel. Okay, so the candidate name is Ankit. So one of the most important point, Ankit mentioned that the package is 5 LPA and the location is Navi Mumbai. So on 23rd February, he got the mail that resume has been shortlisted for the online test. The test was scheduled on 25th February. It was a normal easy level aptitude test consisting of basic 3 section. Quant, logical and verbal. Each section consists of 10 question and 10 minutes. The platform was Co-Cubes. So most probably candidate completed the examination in the February 2023 month. Okay. So basically he mentioned that there are 3 sections in which they ask quant, logical and verbal based question. Okay, and that is related to a normal easy level aptitude test. Okay, according to the job description, okay, if we check the job description according to this hiring, so they mention that this hiring is for MDP associate, and the package is 4 to 5 LPA, and you have a good English communication and written verbal skills. If you have a basic level in MS Suite, MS Excel and Word. So English based question they will ask. Most probably chances is that like English section will be considered in the examination. Okay, so normal aptitude के भी क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं, इंग्लिश भी आ सकता है, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन दे मेंशन दैट MDP associate. So according to my experience, वो MDP एसोसिएट मतलब बेसिकली वो बेसिक क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं बिजनेस रिलेटेड, ओके, because this is not a like tech job, okay, they not mention any of the technical skills. They mention that this is a data related opportunity, okay, in which they mention what is morning star development program. So basically business related questions आ सकते हैं जो कि normal basic level के रहेंगे, but the aptitude most probably they will consider the aptitude and the English section, okay. After that candidates after that candidate got the mail on 27 February that he cleared the test, and now the selected candidates will have attend a candidate survey session where the HRs and team leads of Morningstar will brief us about company overview and package. Okay, after candidate survey session, that there is a details session in which you have to fill one survey form, okay, according to the mail. In the mail they mention same point, okay. So the candidate survey session was held on 28 February and it was also in an elimination round. So it is very important. Okay. Thanks Ankit for mentioning this. So after that on 1st March I got another mail that I have cleared the candidate survey session and will appear for interview level 1 on 2nd March. Okay. So on 11 a.m. I appeared for interview, and after I was told to wait for some minute, and if I pass the level 1 then I will be allowed to enter in the level 2. So there is a level 1 and level 2 interview, there is a 2 interview. So I was waited for 3 minutes and I was told that I am selected for level 1. After entering the level 2, I was asked some basic HR behavioral question and some basic based on finance, like difference between merger and acquisition, process of mutual fund, basic SQL and Python question. So most probably finance related questions will also ask in the test pattern. Okay, this is very very important. So you have to prepare like that. मतलब आप फाइनेंस से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस भी प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. After that I was told that if I clear the level 2 then after some day I will get an offer for Morningstar. So I received that offer yesterday. I have been following you since last 1.5 year and this was possible only because of you bhaiya. So thank you very much again. Thanks Ankit for sharing the complete analysis that is related to hiring process. So friends, that is related to Morningstar test update. First, this is your test, online test, in which aptitude, English section, finance related question will be asked. Second is candidate survey session. It is also elimination round. Third is level 1 interview. Fourth is level 2 interview. And after that, fifth is there is a offer process. Okay. So I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.